Alright, first power up of the quad. Just wait for people to look here. Alright, so this got my FPV monitor, right? Which is also my goggles. It's the EV800D. And, oh, the battery's dead. No, is the battery dead? I think it just turned itself off. Oh no. Battery's dead. Oh, that ruins everything, doesn't it? That stinks. But it's okay. We can do that another day. Alright, put that aside. I wanted to have the FPV footage of when it first turned on, but that's not going to happen, unfortunately. I have it set to bind on my transmitter. I made a new model. As you can see here, Wizard 215 is what I called it, and I'm going to have it binding. So, this is binding. I'm going to set it over here so it's not in too close. Now what I need to do is I need to hold down that button right there while plugging in the battery. So that's going to be interesting. Let's see if I can do that. Okay. So I got to hold that down. Oh dear. That's difficult. Alright, here we go. Okay. In goes the battery. Alright. Well. Plugged it in. Still trying to bind. Still trying to bind. Should be in binding mode right now. Still trying to bind. Alright. I may need to try it again. I don't know exactly what the bind procedure is. But also notice how the DVR stays on when you unplug it, which is interesting. Alright, try again. While I plug it in. Okay. Alright, let's see if it's gonna pick up and bind. Come on. Bind already. Should be in D16 mode. Don't know why it's not binding. But as you can see, the thing is on, so. Holding down the button just to see what it does. I don't know. Let me review the instruction manual again. So I must not be doing something correctly. Alright. No, it should be going. Red light should be flashing, it says. Red light's flashing. Maybe I need to bring it closer. Maybe it's too far away. Alright, let's bring the transmitter over here then. Maybe in the middle somewhere? Oh. Doesn't seem to be wanting to bind. No, bind. Bind. No, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen because it's not bound. The red light is blinking, so it's in bind mode, but it's not binding. So, don't know what's up with that. And it won't at any distance. Let me try to hold it in the air, maybe. Bind! It's not binding. That's weird. Very weird. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. See, it should be in D16 mode, which is, it's in. And it says I just got to connect the battery to the XM Plus receiver while holding the button. LED on the receiver will flash, indicating the binding process is complete. Oh. 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 So, maybe I just gotta unplug it now. Maybe it's done. We'll try it again then. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit exit. Just exit to the main screen here. As you can see now I've got all my controls. You can see on there my switches as well. Alright, so you got that. I will plug it in again. Alright. We have a solid green light on there. Let's try it. I don't have arming set, so I don't have an arm switch set, so that might be why I'm not getting anything. But it says it's going back and forth between green and red. Don't know what that means. Green means it's receiving signals. I said that anyways. Oh, it's green right now. It says green. It's green. Right? I don't know what that's about. This keeps going green and red. Okay. Green LED on the receiver indicates the receiver is receiving commands from the transmitter. Well, I guess it is bound, right? No, I should have to give, because this happened with my tiny whoop as well, where I had to bind it in order for it to work. I had to set a bob. I had to set an arm switch on my tiny whoop in order for it to want to work, which I set to this one, of course. Right? I also don't have any channels set up on here, so that may be the problem. For instance, I don't know. So if I wanted to go here, I'd go to this. I hit page. That's for heli, that's for flight modes. Inputs should be set up for throttle, aileron, elevator, and rudder on the first 4 channels. And then you can hit the mixer. Outputs, you can set all sorts of good stuff, curves and logic switches, special functions, telemetry, and all that good stuff. So, I don't know. Well, it says the green LED means that it's receiving commands from the transmitter. So does that mean it was bound before? Because it says the LED on the receiver will flash, indicating the binding process is complete. So maybe it is bound. Maybe I just need to plug it into Betaflight. But it is interesting. Let's see. Is this going to work for me? Or is it going to turn itself off immediately again? Yeah. The battery's dead, I think. So I'll need to fix that. But hey, it's on. That's cool. So it's on. It's alive. But no controls yet. But it may think that one of these other switches is something. I don't know. Well, next is going to be getting everything hooked up in Betaflight. And this is not the battery I'll be flying on. This is 1000 milliamp hour, 25C continuous 50C burst, which of course will not handle this at all. So I'm going to need to bring that. Well, I have batteries on the way. It's red again, and now it's green. Let me see. What if I point my antenna at it? It shouldn't be receiving anything when my antenna is pointed at that antenna, should it? It shouldn't be. Hey, it shouldn't be receiving any signals. Whatever. You know, maybe it accidentally bound to my Wi-Fi or something. That'd be pretty crazy. Alright, well, guess it's time to figure out the Betaflight and then come back. So I guess, what do I do for Betaflight? Do I just plug it into the board? Is that what I do? I unplug my batteries, of course, and then I just go over to my computer and I take the micro USB and I plug it in, right? Is that all I do for Betaflight? I guess. Oh, I don't even have Betaflight on my computer, though. That might be a problem. I need to fix that. Alright, well, that's about it for there. I like to hear it to start up. That's pretty cool. I'm going to unplug it and plug it back in. Ooh, unplug it. And then, here, let me turn those out. When I plug it back in, it makes a beepy noise. It's so nice. I like it. Yeah, so it doesn't show that I'm receiving any signals at all. Don't know why, but you'd think something would be just doing something in there. But something's not doing something, so I don't know. I'll figure it out. Don't you worry, I'll figure it out. Alright, that's pretty much it for this. Alright, unplug that. And then at the moment, what I need to do, I'm going to take this little sticker off from there. I know metal tweezers, right? But that sticker needs to come off of the buzzer or else I won't be able to hear it. Right, so got that off. I'll just stick that in the package somewhere. There we go. What does it say on it? It says remove after washing. Remove after washing? Washing? I don't think I'm going to be washing it. Alright, let's try again. Let's plug it in. Yeah, such an amazing noise. Love it. So beautiful. Alright. See, we got a green LED here. So, whatever. That's it for this. So what do I do for Betaflight? I don't know. Help me. So, guess I gotta do that. Alright, and then I'll just turn this off. Okay, there we go. And also note that this LED, what? It's just on a second ago. Anyways, there's a little LED that it's part of the DVR that's on board, and that stays lit usually. There's still power coming from these massive capacitors on either side for like half an hour later, so gotta be careful of that. Alright, guess thank you for watching the stream. Let's see, is there anything else that I need to do? Don't think so. Any comments? Oh look, I'm live. Wow. Nope. Oh, actually, might be something below that. Live stream offline. Oh, what do you mean live stream offline? Did it do something? It shouldn't have done something. That's not good. Well, that's it for this video. Live stream thing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I need to set it up in Betaflight now. Okay.